So basically, I have this little speaker. I think my dad got it from a conference or something. But inside, the battery life was shockingly slow. So I popped it open because it was surprisingly low build quality. And this is a swollen battery straight out of r/spicy pickles. So what I did, I got a new battery and my stuff for soldering. And I'm gonna solder a new battery onto there very carefully. And also another interesting thing, this huge speaker, the actual speaker is this tiny bit. So yeah, I'm really scared of burning the pads off, but hey, let's try. I've got my headphones for audio, safety goggles, and I'm gonna wear a mask. Nothing special, just a cloth mask. And I've got my soldering iron and its stand. Now I'm gonna solder this bad boy out. I'm gonna plug in the soldering iron. I had to turn the camera off for plugging it in. Lead-free solder wire, some flux, and a sponge. Let's get this bad boy soldered up. I've got a damn sponge, and you may think I'm doing a bit of overkill, but I've not soldered much before, and I want this to act sort of as a guide for anybody who wants to solder also, while boosting my own confidence. So basically, the plan is to heat up these pads till the wires come loose, take them off, and while this lead is still molten, adding it just a tinge of lead and just putting in the wires and doing that. And boom, the lighting changed a bit because I opened up a window because I do not have a fume hood and make sure there's a way for the fumes to go out, removing all things which are distractions and simply focusing on the task at hand. Actually, I'm going to move my camera a bit upwards and backwards so that I have more space to work. And let's get into a time lapse. And boom, we're done. I've switched off my iron, put it in the stand, and let's just put the speaker back together. Fingers crossed this battery fits. Okay, a bit of gymnastics, but I think it does. And with that, we've assembled it. If you're replacing any such battery, be sure to monitor it while charging because we don't want another puffed up spicy pillow. So yeah, that's about it. The battery.